you forgive me?
I let it fall, my heart, and does it feel
What are you doing here?
to claim it?
Should I go?
Yes.
It was dark,
Hi.
and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands
Big kid.
they were strong,
I'm the freshman team.
knees will fall to
No.
stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things
I love you, Ginny.
say they were never
Today, tomorrow, forever.
the games you play, you would always win, but I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touched your face.
I don't know if love is always a good thing.
Well, if I'm so hard, why don't you just leave?
What are you doing?
I'm not doing anything, Marcus. You keep coming in here and getting up in my shit, and honestly, it's annoying.
With you, I could stay there, close my eyes, feel you here forever. You
Happy birthday.
and together, nothing gets better. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you
No.
say they were
No,
never
Ginny.
true. The games you play, you would always win, but I said
For you to know that that's your last breath.
I don't want to understand why you're so upset.
Is that what you think? That I'm upset? I'm not upset, I'm terrified.
Ginny,
Just tell me.
tell you what.
Tell me that you don't want to be with me. No! No, you're literally leaving me! Marcus! You wouldn't do this to me. Right? Because I'm your Ginny and
I asked him.
Marcus, I told you everything. You know me. Like,
No, I know.
Do you even care that you're hurting me?
Just
What? You're gonna regret this. I'm sorry. I didn't see it.
see what.
It isn't about me. I can be your friend.